Okay, we had a long discussion. The investigations are on. It's very preliminary to say anything right now because we have just started the investigation, so I cannot reveal anything more. We need some more time, and we have the support of the police and all the other members here. So we're looking into it. Give us some time. Do not expect us to give you a judgment, or do not expect us to let you know as to what the discussion was, what is the next move, or what we're going to do next. It's something which we need to do it, and we'll be doing it.
ಪ್ರಕರಣ ದಾಖಲಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ
Please.
ಪ್ರಕರಣ ದಾಖಲಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತದ್ದು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ
Wait, silence please. I'm not able to hear him.
ಪ್ರಕರಣ ದಾಖಲಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಸಾಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ತಾವು ಹೇಳಿದಂಥದ್ದು ಆ ಥರದ ಸಾಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ.
Listen, when it comes to evidence, we are saying we have just started. I would request once again everyone that stop coming to a conclusion or go by hearsay, whatever people say or whatever the news which has been spreading around. Please wait to let it come from the horse's mouth, either from us or from the police, to get the exact story. And since we have just started the investigation, we need some time. So all I would very humbly urge everyone to behave like very responsible citizens and say not to believe any of the rumors or the WhatsApp messages which goes around, or come to a conclusion that this is what happened or this would have happened. Please wait for us to give you the proper details, and we need some time. We have just started investigating.
Ma'am, did you have a chance to meet with the
inquiry will take some time. The inquiry will take some time. We have, like I said earlier also, we have sent the phones to our forensic department. We cannot come to any kind of a conclusion, or can't even speak about evidence, because whatever is in the mobile will be from the forensic department. The data given to us will be the evidence. So we have to wait for that.
did you have a chance to meet with the victim, or will you be meeting her now?
We're not going to tell you anything. All I'm saying is let us do our duty, let us do our work, what we are here for. And I would really appreciate if all of you would allow us to do our work, rather than trying to find out what is the next move and what are we going to do, who are we going to meet, who are we going to speak to. I think we need to do our work very quietly, and we are working on that.
Victim statement ಆಗಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ಹೀಗೆ.
Sorry, I just said that let us work on our lines. So if you ask me straight or you turn around and ask me, my answer is going to be the same. Let us.
ಮಹಿಳಾ ಆಯೋಗ ಪ್ರಕರಣವನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ.
No, you please wait. We have just started. I'm here on behalf of NCW. I'm here. So when we are here on behalf of the NCW, let us do our work. We are not going to give you any information right now, because we have to wait till we don't come to a conclusion.
You're not asking any information, ma'am. We are asking for you're going to take a complaint.
Eligible case ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲ?
Why am I here? Why am I here? I'm here because there was a complaint sent to NCW, right? And that is why we have come here. So it's very obvious the NCW has come here on the basis of a complaint which was sent to us. And yes.
ಇದರ ಆರೋಪಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿ
Sir, accusations will be there. We'll have to wait. We can't just go by the accusations. We can't go by what somebody says. There's something called evidence, and we'll have to wait for that.
ಇದು 4 hours ಅಂತ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾದರೂ
Not necessary. That is what. No, this is not breaking news, sir. This is not about breaking news. This is about students. This is about women. So we have to wait. This is not a 2-minute noodle.
Ma'am, one final question. Is the college taking accountability for what happened?
You are not going to get anything from me, Anagha. You have to wait till we come with our statements.
Is there any hidden camera in the toilet?
No, there is not. Absolutely not. That is why I said, if there are rumors of hidden cameras in the toilets, please understand there's nil. Nothing to it. It's zilch. There's a rumor which is going around, and there are false videos which have been going around that there are hidden cameras. It's an institution, and there cannot be any hidden cameras. So please do not follow these kind of stories. And it's very, very upsetting to see that even media is asking me such questions. You should be the first ones to say that these things do not happen, because we all come from educational institutions, and we know that we have never faced. Young girls like you have never faced it, right? So we need to understand we have to behave. And we'll come to a conclusion very soon. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.